Hi, it's Peter from Central Media Services. Just a short video to explain to you what a local intent search is. So if someone searches, for example, for a roofer in Colville, what you see is the Google 3-pack, which is basically three businesses that Google feel are the most relevant, that it puts ahead of everything else. The only thing it won't put this ahead of is their paid advertising, but if there's no paid advertisers, then it's at the top of the page. So it gets a lot of clicks, a lot of phone calls. And obviously your aim is to get into these three businesses here, because if you're not in there, you will be in this area here, which is just says more businesses, and virtually no one ever clicks on that. So you will be sort of lost if you end up in there. Now, if you've received a letter from us offering to provide a service to get you into Google's 3-pack, we are absolutely confident we can get you into those listings and getting calls for your service on a regular basis.